Just find your way and try to stay true. Speak low, stand in your row. Try not to show, this life's a show. Try not to glow, way down below. It's a lot of woe, and that's not a place where you would like to go. I've got cigarettes and brandy, which could come in handy. Just help me loosen up my
It's perfect the way it's set up.
baby, don't my truth. But it's up to you not to choose. I want you to stay true. What's right for you? No matter who or know what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay true.
Love it out of myself.
I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay true.
So there you go.
You're hunting around.
I hope this video has been as much fun to watch as it was for me to shoot, because I had so much fun. And I just want to take a quick moment to thank Desh for being available to shoot this week's episode. He and I had never met before, and when I heard he was going to be in the area, I shot him a message and said, hey, would you be available to shoot some content? And he just agreed. And he came up, he cooked an incredible meal, and I was blown away by how much passion he had for his craft. And that was the thing that I hope kind of showed through in this week's episode, was how much passion and how much confidence he exudes during the process of cooking. In full disclosure, like, the conditions were suboptimal at best for his cooking, and outside on an open fire. It was below zero, it was snowing off and on, and he just absolutely crushed it. And for me, it was really fun to follow somebody around who has so much passion and has so much confidence and just really was moving quickly. It was fun to shoot. And so for me as a videographer and as a part-time YouTuber, I guess, it was really fun to follow somebody who was moving so quickly. It was also fun to shoot in ever-changing conditions. We started shooting right before sunset, and we shot well after sunset. And then one of the personal challenges I had given myself for this week's shoot was to capture as much raw audio as possible, the sounds of the kitchen. And I think I did that pretty well. But I would be super interested to know what your thoughts were on this video. If you would, please leave a comment down below. And if you did like this video, consider giving it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so. And again, thank you for tuning in every week. I really appreciate all the love. Thank you.